Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, going to teach you how to fix not getting your Shopify authentication code. First, if you're using two-factor authentication, make sure your authentication app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Duo is installed and up to date. If you recently changed phones, your code generator might not be synced. Next, check your email spam or promotions folder if you're expecting the code by email. Some email providers might filter it. Make sure to check your spam folders or junk folders. And make sure your Shopify account email is entered correctly. And if you're getting the code via SMS, weak signal or carrier issues can cause delays. Restart your phone and try again. If there's still nothing, try switching to an authenticator app if possible. Authenticator apps rely on your phone's clock. If your phone's time is off, the code won't match. Set your phone to automatic time and date to fix this. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!